Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the sensor model and required voltage. This matters because feeding the wrong voltage can damage the board. Once done, cut 3 short wires and strip ends, then power off the controller to avoid shorts. Make sure to note the markings: VCC, GND, and SIG. Attach the sensor to a stable surface at the anticipated water level so readings represent real conditions. You'll avoid rewiring later by planning cable length and routing now. Next, you connect the wires: VCC to the matching supply, GND to common ground, and SIG to your chosen input pin. Use solder or a secure terminal block for reliability, then insulate exposed joints with heat shrink. This prevents corrosion. If the sensor has a potentiometer, adjust it while testing with a wet object. Otherwise, set thresholds in your firmware or home automation UI. Once configured, verify with a multimeter or serial log, so you know why readings change under wet versus dry conditions. Finally, you perform a live test. Power the system, observe baseline dry readings, then wet the sensor and watch the change. Mount the sensor where water contacts but debris won't build up. Protect the electronics in a sealed enclosure or elevation. If readings spike intermittently, make sure grounds are solid and add debounce or averaging in software to filter noise. Clean the probe and reseal any exposed joints. If problems persist, remeasure voltages and swap the input pin to isolate hardware versus code issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.